Morning, everybody. How are you? Right, video this morning. I called on a mate yesterday, and anyhow, I just called on him. Bit of something we got to sort out between one another, and this I noticed in his place a car, and a new car. I'd restored it years ago. Absolutely stunning thing. Anyhow, I know I'd heard it had changed hands, so I ran a look round it, as you do, a bit of a like reminisce, oh I did this on it, or I did that on it, or I did over on it, oh look at that, look at this, and then he were on about look at this, this is stunning, and we're just generally going round it, you know, but I was more reminiscing, I was seeing the item long before the restore, I was seeing every minor detail, every bit of work. And there was a lot of work in it, hell of a lot of work, you know, a lot of plating, there were a lot of mechanical, there were, well, obviously all running gear, loads and loads and loads and loads of work, and we're outstanding, and just a few bits he were doing. And then he got talking to me about a car, and I'd heard this car had changed hands, and I'd probably heard a completely different story than he were telling me. And now we're going on about this car, and we're doing this, doing that, and then it's going out, this is happening to it, that's happening, blah, 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 and felt a bit deflated, to be honest, because it wasn't the same story as I'd heard. It wasn't the same story as I'd heard regarding this car, and I mean, what a while back I heard this story about, and like I said, I know it had changed hands, and well, we're probably that point in time when I'd probably thought to me saying, why do you put effort you put in? You know, why do you do these things? And I know things happen, and I know things change. I know that 120%. You know, and I just thought, why do you do it? Anyhow, that was that, and I jumped in Zodiac. I'd gone on in Zodiac actually. I ain't gone in Vitamin. I'd gone in Zodiac, and I just cruised back, and I was stuck in a bit of traffic, and temp gauge just went up a touch in traffic, and as we moved again, it dropped back down. So I thought, well, they're in a car that I know that's done, and everything's right, and everything's sorted. And I was like pondering it last night. I mean, I woke up middle of the night, and I could hear my breathing going off as it does when it wakes me up, and I was thinking about this, and I thought, how has the world changed so much, so quickly, really? You know, because as I said earlier, I mean, you put your life and soul into undertaking something like this, you know, and doing it, and then you hear a story regarding it, half like when it's got moved on for whatever reason, and you're like, oh, well, that's probably not too bad. But then when you actually find true story, you just think, well, probably makes you feel a bit, like I said, deflated. That's probably word. And but one thing it has done, definitely done to me. I mean, it might only be a trivial item, and it might only have happened yesterday, but it's just 100% opened my eyes to what the modern world is. Because a thing of an outstanding thing that somebody would sit and cherish and worship and all that, and that's what I thought I'd heard that had happened to it. But I was obviously wrong, because it had. I mean, I don't know any figures. I don't know like that values, know what's gone off or whatever when it has changed hands. But it's just become a part of modern society's money-making rackets, from what I can gather. So, well, that's the story. That's it. That's my video. Just, somebody can have such a passion and then insist that I have to do it to this level, do it to that level, do it to other level, and then it's just ended up in probably a situation where it's just something probably on a balance sheet and just something probably to earn a crust from. So that's it really. Catch you all later. See you whenever. Thanks. Cheers.